Hi, I'm Charlotte Olderslade, Conference Manager for WTM London and Travel Forward. I'm here to introduce you to some exciting speakers we'll be bringing to the live show from the 1st to the 3rd of November at Excel London. WTM London 2021 is all about reconnecting, rebuilding and innovating the industry so we can make changes for the future together. I look forward to seeing you all at WTM London this November.
I'm incredibly excited about speaking at WTM because this is the conference, the place to come and bring together all these really amazing experts.
So I think it's really important that we can get together, we can share ideas, we can share our experiences of the last 18 months and really build back together.
There are going to be so many wonderful topics to discuss at WTM this year that are going to help us to focus on the continuous recovery of the tourism industry.
At WTM London this year, I am actually speaking about my favorite topic in the world, which is marketing.
Culture and heritage, creativity, competitiveness.
Really talking about the importance of the travel trade, and that's both from a leisure and a business travel perspective.
I'll be taking part in a number of sessions around responsible tourism, which I'm really looking forward to.
This year is going to be incredibly special because it is our the first event. I mean, in many cases for all of us, we've been at home, we've been sheltering in place, we've been in quarantine, and this is an opportunity for us to come together.
We've realized how much we miss bouncing ideas and thoughts off of each other.
We cannot forget the benefit of meeting in real life, meeting new connections, which you really can't do virtually.
Trade shows are at our core. They are an opportunity for us to come together and to be equipped and to tap into a major community that we're a part of globally.
Sometimes it's really important to sit around the table and to share your thoughts and to listen to what other people have to say as well.
So I think that just the ability to bring everyone together, to meet old friends, to meet new partners, and to really connect with the industry is very, very important, particularly this year.
You know what? It's a great time for travel to recover.
We have a unique opportunity now to reconnect, restart, and to really deliver value to the travel and tourism communities right across the world.
And so I am beyond excited. I cannot wait to share. I look forward to seeing everybody at WTM London this November.